This is Ask Me About First Home Buying. My name is Elizabeth Lyons. I'm a country artist, singer-songwriter, and in this video, I'm going to break down the process of finding a house, narrowing down a few different areas that you want to live. Set notifications on Zillow when properties go for sale or are available. I would suggest finding a real estate broker, especially if you don't know what area you want to live. My mom's a real estate broker at Compass. She's based in Illinois, in predominantly Chicago, and she can actually refer you to other Compass agents. It's really important that you have a real estate broker that you can trust, someone that's attached to the community and who can guide you through this process, as it can be like a really stressful and emotional thing that you have to go through. So they can kind of hold your hand and be a part of that. Why we bought this house. First and foremost, location, and it is close to schools. It's in an area where all of our friends are, our family is. It is an investment, and we believe and hope that the value will go up in the home. Traffic is a huge thing. It does have quite a bit of traffic, but not that much. And the cool thing is there's no really street parking, so it looks really clean, and I like that. Neighbors. Neighbors are a big thing to consider. We have some of our friends that are neighbors as well, so from a safety standpoint too, if something were to happen, we could just hop on over to our neighbors. If you liked what you saw today, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. And if you love country music, make sure to check out my music on all music platforms. And as an independent artist, it means a lot to us if you just download, add to playlists, and heart. It's free to do, and it takes no time at all, and we would truly appreciate it. Thank you.